Hey everyone, welcome here to MGMClassicCars.com, and today I have this fire mist. I mean, when I say fire candy apple red paint job, this is what that looks like. This thing looks like it's set on freaking fire. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle, not a real SS car, guys. So let's get that out of the way right away. But a gorgeous, restored 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle that has a big block, upgraded 454 cubic inch motor. This thing has been bored and stroked to a 468 cubic inch motor. It's got aluminum heads, Performer RPM aluminum high-rise intake, 4-barrel carb, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator. I'm getting tired here. Headers, vintage cold air conditioning, guys. This thing is freaking fire. Look at this. Woo-hoo. Now, restored condition. What I mean by that, it's been gone through. Whatever it needed got replaced, like new chrome bumpers, new grille, new wheel and tire package, new louvers on the hood, new glass, weather stripping, chrome, like I mentioned, front to back, the glass, beautiful weather stripping like I mentioned, and also the trim. All the trim pieces are on the car. Interior, gorgeous, restored. Beautiful door lips here, guys. Factory pinch welds, beautiful underneath the doors. Nice door panels, they're brand new. Nice door sill plates, inner outer rockers. You can eat off. Look at this interior. Look at this black bucket seat console interior. All the little crevices are in very, very nice condition. Okay, dash pad, excellent. Upgraded gauge package, as you can see there, guys. It looks factory, but it is upgraded. SS steering wheel, center console, B&M shifter with the clock there. You got the little radio set up there. And also, look at this. Look at this. Clean, 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 clean. Trunk, restored, great condition. You got your spare tire, your battery, and you might need that in the future. I hope not. Solid trunk, guys. And again, beautiful chrome, beautiful paint. This thing will win best of paint anywhere you go. This thing is super, super nice. Now, don't take that literally seriously anywhere you'll go, but this is set up to win best of paint. Look at these door jambs. Beautiful. Seat belts all intact. Just super, super nice. And I can't stop saying super nice. I don't know why. Because I know why. This car. That's why. This car is super nice, guys. What do you think? Huh? Beautiful. Let's fire this baby up. Got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Freaking serious? Is that clock working? Yeah. Wow. All right, we're gonna go for a ride. I hope I don't get in trouble. Horn functions. As you can see, lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off. Wipers work. Speedo works. Well, we're going to check the speed out in a minute, but RPM tach works. Heat air conditioning blows super nice. Radio functions as well. Left turn signal, yes. Right turn signal, yes. All right, let's get the seatbelt on. All right, seatbelts, very important. All intact here. And guys, we are ready to rock and roll. All right. It's got that ratchet B&M shifter, got to get used to it. And once you are, you're fine. So MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. We're coming out the building here. This building to the right, the brown building to my right. That's my service department and my detail shop. We service all our cars. Oh, this thing purrs like a kitten, guys. And the speedo does function. So everything does work like it should. No rattling. I just got a nice big bump. No rattling. No squeaks. It's how it should be, baby. That's why you buy a car from MGM. This is why. We go through our cars. We tell you about them. We do these test drive videos. Who does these test drive videos like this? Not too many, guys. They don't do them because they're hiding stuff. I'm not hiding anything. I'll show you everything and tell you everything. Because if you don't buy it, somebody else will. That's all. I'm not being cocky. I'm just being true to myself and true to you. But anyway, enough of that crap. We're cruising at 50 and this thing is smooth, guys. Like I said, no weird noises in the cockpit, no squeaking, all the bugs are out of the car. Honestly, I'll let my wife drive this car. That's how easy it is to drive. One finger on the steering wheel, guys. Straight down the road. You hit the brake like I'm doing now, coming up to the stop sign. You don't pull left, you don't pull right. Turn signals all function, everything's good. Good too. Brakes feel good. If you need financing, no problem. If your score is like 630 to like 770, you will need 10% down. Good credits. Oh! Okay, that's 70 miles an hour. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! And that's why you buy a big block Chevelle, guys, with the 700 R4. You can cruise comfortable, long pro touring. You can tour. You can tour the country. Enjoy your life. Go to the Hot Rod Power Tour with this baby. It's got the overdrive trans, the air conditioning, the big trunk. Comfortable as can be and fast. Sounds good too. I mean, you let off the throttle, that's how it sounds. Nice and quiet. Or you get on the throttle. You wake up the monster. Anyway, rates start at about 8%. Good credit, 630 to about 770, 10% down. Everything's based off your credit profile. Go to mgmclassicars.com, fill out the application. Now, if you're over a 775 credit score, I might have a no money down option for you guys. Listen, you can roll in your sales tax, you can roll in your delivery. It's not a problem. If you have 775 credit score or higher, call or text me and I'll give you my lender's direct website. I take this turn pretty quick here. I like to feel the turn. Wow. This thing handles real nice. Guys, we're headed back to the shop here. If you need delivery, call or text. My direct number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. I look forward to speaking with you guys. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye-bye.